A trade is a hands-on job that requires special training. Today we will learn about 6 trades, and we will learn the English words for the job names, the tools used in each trade, and the actions the workers do. Keep watching until the end for a quiz to test what you have learned. English for the Trades, Part 1. Carpentry. A person who works with wood is called a carpenter. The trade is carpentry. Let's practice saying those words. Carpenter, carpentry. Carpenters build structures like homes or objects like chairs. Carpenters use a hammer to hit nails into wood. Carpenters cut wood. They use a saw to cut the wood. Some saws can be used by hand. Some saws are electric. Carpenters measure objects. Carpenters use measuring tape to measure the length of a piece of wood. Carpenters build, cut, and measure. Carpenters use tools like a hammer, saw, and measuring tape. Welding. A person who works with metal is called a welder. The trade is welding. Let's practice saying those words. Welder, welding. Welders weld or join 2 pieces of metal together. Welders use a welding torch to join the pieces together. Welders heat the metal. They make it very hot so it can be joined. They use gloves to protect their hands from hot metal. Welders grind metal. They smooth and shape it. They use a protective mask to protect their eyes from the heat. Welders weld, heat, and grind. They use a welding torch, gloves, and a protective mask. Electrical services. A person who works with electricity is called an electrician. The trade is electrical services. Let's practice saying those words. Electrician, electrical services. Electricians wire electricity. You use electricity in your home anytime you turn on the lights, plug in a charger, or use a TV or computer. Electricians use pliers to hold and twist wires to connect them. Electricians install or put in lights and outlets. They use a screwdriver to turn screws to keep these items in place. Electricians fix electrical problems. They use a voltage tester to see if the electricity is working. Electricians wire, install, and fix. They use pliers, a screwdriver, and a voltage tester. Plumbing. A person who works with pipes is a plumber. The trade is called plumbing. Let's practice those words. Plumber, plumbing. Plumbers repair leaks in pipes. A leak is when something is dripping water even though it is off. Plumbers use a wrench to tighten or loosen the pipes. Plumbers install new pipes when they put in a new sink, toilet, or shower. They use a pipe cutter to cut pipes. Plumbers unclog blockages from pipes. This is when they take out hair or other objects from pipes so water can pass through. They use a plunger to clear clogs. Plumbers repair, install, and unclog. They use a wrench, a pipe cutter, and a plunger. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. A person who works with heating and cooling systems is called an HVAC technician. The trade is called heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Let's practice pronouncing that. HVAC technician. HVAC technicians install and put in new heating and cooling systems to help buildings stay cool in the summer or warm in the winter. They use a ladder to reach AC units that are in hard-to-reach spaces. HVAC technicians repair problems when systems break. They use a refrigerant gauge to check the pressure of the cooling fluids. HVAC technicians inspect. They check the systems regularly to make sure they are working well. They use a thermometer to measure the temperature, meaning how hot or cold it is. HVAC technicians install, repair, and inspect. They use a ladder, a refrigerant gauge, and a thermometer. Manufacturing. There are many jobs within the manufacturing trade. A person who works with CNC machines is a CNC machinist. They work in manufacturing. Let's practice saying those. CNC machinist, manufacturing. CNC machinists load raw materials into the machine. Raw materials are things like sheets of steel or plastic that will be made into something but haven't yet. CNC machinists use a CNC machine to make a part that the manufacturer will sell. CNC machinists operate the machine to make the parts. They use a tool holder to hold different cutting tools needed for the machine to make the part. CNC machinists inspect and check the parts for accuracy. They use a caliper to measure the size of the parts. CNC machinists load raw material, operate, and inspect. They use a CNC machine, a tool holder, and a caliper. Now it's time for the quiz. Write down your answers on a piece of paper or discuss them with your teacher. The answers are in the description box below. Question 1. Which trade installs pipes? A. Carpentry, B. Plumbing, C. Electrical services, or D. Welding? Question 2. Which worker loads raw material to make a part? A. HVAC technician, B. Electrician, C. CNC machinist, or D. Carpenter? Question 3. Who works with wood? A. Carpenter, B. Plumber, C. HVAC technician, or D. Welder? Question 4. What is this? A. Thermometer, B. Caliper, C. Welding torch, or D. Saw? Question 5. Who installs outlets? A. Welder, B. Plumber, C. Carpenter, or D. Electrician? Question 6. Who repairs air conditioners? A. Carpenter, B. HVAC technician, C. Welder, or D. CNC machinist? Question 7. What are these? A. Measuring tapes, B. Pipe cutters, C. Calipers, or D. Pliers? Question 8. What are two things you need when welding? A. Plunger, B. Protective mask, C. Ladder, or D. Gloves? Question 9. What is he using? A. Wrench, B. Screwdriver, C. Tool holder, or D. Saw? Question 10. A plumber uses a plunger to blank a pipe. A. Install, B. Build, C. Unclog, or D. Cut? Question 11. What does an electrician use to see if electricity is working? A. Voltage tester, B. CNC machine, C. Welding torch, or D. Refrigerant gauge? Question 12. What do CNC machinists use to inspect parts? A. Refrigerant gauge, B. CNC machine, C. Thermometer, or D. Caliper? Thank you so much for watching this video. Teachers, check out my Teachers Pay Teachers store for matching materials that go with this video.